Debt is neither automatically good, nor is it automatically bad. Much like everything in life, the nature of who we are. It simply depends on how it is used. At its core, debt simply means borrowing money now and paying later. And of course, we borrow money because we want to access something or have something before we can fully afford it. Sometimes this can make sense. A business loan might help someone build a company. A mortgage might provide stable housing. Student debt might actually increase future earning potential. These scenarios are often called productive debt, where the borrowed money helps to create future value. Debt becomes dangerous when it mainly funds temporary consumption without improving long-term stability. Credit cards are probably the most common example of this. If someone continually borrows for lifestyle spending while interest compounds, debt can quietly grow faster than income. And this is where many people become trapped. Because interest is a powerful thing. when interest is working for us through investing, saving, it can build wealth. But when interest works against us through debt, it can slowly drain financial freedom. This is often why lenders will encourage minimum monthly payments. Small payments over long periods often generate far more interest. So the deeper lesson here is this: debt pulls future money into the present that can accelerate growth or accelerate stress. Used carefully, debt can become a tool, a beneficial tool. But used unconsciously, recklessly, it can become a long-term burden that can quietly shape someone's entire life in a less than financially freeing kind of way.